What up though, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I am doing an unboxing. Another one of my designer pieces. It just came in the mail right now, and I had to go ahead and show you guys what I got. I'm excited to see it myself, so I'm not going to take too much time. I'm going to open this right up. I know I told you guys that I was going to do my my shoe collection next, but I was excited. I got this and I just had to open this up on video. So I just had to get my packing slip out of there, and now I can show you guys what it is. I'm gonna open this box up. A little tissue paper, and that's just what I love about buying designer items. They always come packaged really nicely. You can see right here I have my MCM box from my previous videos, and then I have my Versace box from I've been had that. I didn't really do a video on that on this channel. I did a video a while ago, but I had to make a new channel. So here is another Versace box. Let me get that out the way. And so put it side by side. Is really almost the same. So I'm gonna pop that open. I love how it has the magnetic little flap, so it always can just, you know, close back. So open that up, and you can tell what it is from the shape of it. You know, it comes in this little dust bag. Got the little dust bag right here. Everything I order is always straight off of the website, or, you know, I got this from Versace.com, but I get it from Saks, Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, something like that. So just gonna open that up, and oh yeah, this is super nice. This is the pink Medusa head with the pink belt and off rip. This is definitely smaller than the head of this is smaller than my black Versace belt. So I'm wondering, like, is it the exact same one? Okay, this looks a little bit different than that one because this has serial numbers. This is a size 80 because I got my other Versace belt in a 70, and it's just fits just right on the last hole. Like if I bought it, and it's like, I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, I'm like, I know this wasn't the men's one, but when I ordered this online, I thought that I had this one because I remember the inside being like that, but maybe I'm mistaken. But this is this Versace belt. And you see how that buckle is a lot bigger than this one. This one is really small, but I love the color on this one. I had to get it. It's really cute, and I just like it a lot. I'm trying to compare, and like someone told me like this one was fake on my other video I made on my other channel, and I'm like, I don't know how that could be possible when I ordered this straight off of the Versace website. Also, I don't think it's fake. I just think it's a different kind, you know. But this one right here, it just looks a little bit different. It's just more thin of a belt. The width of it is a lot different. And the thickness, this one is just a thicker belt. It's just a different kind of belt, but I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna do a try on for y'all real soon. And that is just that. So I hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned for more of my designer pieces. I will be bringing y'all unboxings as much as possible. Every time I get something, you guys will be the first to know about it, the first to see it, and that'll be it. It's a really cute color pink too. I really like this pink. The inside is suede. Inside of the belt, suede or whatever. The leather feels soft and buttery. Here's the tag. And like I said, I know my stuff is authentic because I get it directly from the website. The tag shows you that you can just do the QR code or whatever and scan it and see. And my other belt, it has the exact same tag and stuff like that, so you know. But yeah, this one is just a little bit different, you know, just a little different, but I love it. I'm loving the color. I think it's really cute. It pops out really bright and vibrant. I love it. Can't wait to see what outfit I can put together with this. Actually, I think I got some shoes. Definitely have some shoes to match. Let me see. Hold on for a minute, y'all. I don't want to leave y'all waiting too long, but I just gotta grab. I'm gonna grab these shoes because I really want to see if they match, if it's the same color pink. So hold on, y'all. I hope that wasn't too long, but I had to grab these shoes and I'm like, I don't know if it match, if it go, but let's see. No, it's a different color pink. This is a little more like a crimson peach pink type color, but these are some Air Force Ones. So this is kind of a sneak peek, I guess, of my shoe collection. Once again, never wore them, never touched the ground, brand new. Still saving these. I got them a couple summers ago, but saving them probably for next summer. I don't really do the white shoes in the winter time or the fall or whatever. And it's like, is that something on my shoe? I don't know what that is, but these are brand new, never worn, never touched the ground, nothing. Yeah, that pink is different, but whatever. I'll find something to go with these, with this belt. So these are just a few of my designer pieces. I have the black Versace belt I got first. Now I have the pink one, and then if you watched my other video, I have this MCM key pouch that I'm in love with. I think it's very dope, really cute, and nice leather, all of that. Can't wait to wear them. So yeah, these are my pieces. These are my first little designer pieces, and I will be bringing you more as I buy stuff and unbox it. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, whatever, so that I can keep on bringing you more and more and more. Thank you.